to e power of x square minus t square. Your textbook is wrong. X square minus t square into y of t into dt. Y of t into dt. So once again, this is the pi of x is equal to e power of x square plus 0 to x into e power of x square minus t square into so y of t into dt. So y of t into dt. This is the formula expansion phi of x plus lambda into 0 to x. So a kernel of k of x comma t into y of t into dt. This is here from. What is the here from k of x comma t? Here k1 of x comma t is equal to what happened? K of x comma t. What is that? This is equal from, that is the question. So is equal to pi of x is equal to e power of x square minus t square. E power of x square minus t square. F of x is equal to what is now? E power of x square. This is a lambda is equal to 1. This is a Volterra differential equation of the first kind. Volterra differential equation of the first kind. Okay. This is Volterra integral equation of the first kind. So we have to find what is the formula. This is k1 of x comma t is equal to k of x comma t is equal to what is the formula? It is called e power of x square minus t square. We can find what is the formula? K n of x. Your textbook is small v. I am to tell me small n. Kv of x comma t is equal to or v in plus lo n I am taken. This is limits to t to x limits. So k of x comma z into k of z comma t into dz. This is means n minus 1. So that is we have to apply n is equal to 2. So 1 is we are same page number 330 children. We like that k2 of x comma t is equal to, so t to x limits. So what happened? K of x comma z into k1 of z comma t, k1 of z comma t into dt. So that is t2 limits x. K of x comma z is equal to already e power of x square minus z square. K1 of z comma t, k1 of t, k1 of x comma t, k of x comma t in place of z, k1 of x in plus z, k1 of z comma t is equal to formula e power of z square minus t square into dz. So what is the plus z square minus z square cancel? What is the value is equal to till continue? So 0 to t to x, what is the value? E power of x square minus t square into dz. What is the integration? Dz. This is the total value is constant. We take right side. So we take back e power of x square minus t square integral t to x into 1 into dz. 1 into dz is equal, what is now? Z. Z limits are there, upper or lower? T minus x, t to x. And what is now? Is equal to e power of x square minus t square z into t to x. So e power of x square minus t square into upper limit minus lower limit to x minus t. This is x minus t. What is the finding? This value is called k2 of x comma t, a kernel of x comma k2 of t. We can same in page number 330. All of you is listen to me. Yes, or say clearly. So it is a names are there. What happened is Bhagyalakshmi, Likita, Usman. So Bhagyalakshmi, Likita, Usman is seen in page number 330. K2 of x comma t is equal to value there. Next, what happened is, so what is K3 of x comma t? K3 of x comma t is equal to formula limit t to x. Same formula. What happened? K of x comma z is fixed in K2 of z comma t into dz. What is the t2 of x? K of x comma z e power of x square minus z square. So K2 of z comma t formula e power of z square minus t square is x minus t. This is z square cancel. What is the x minus z minus t? Sorry, z minus t. So this is a z minus t into dz. And what is the value? We have the constant. In continue next step. E power of x square minus t square is constant. Take outside t to x. Z minus, what is the z minus t into dz? This is x x dx integration x square by 2. So similarly, e power of x square minus t square. What is z minus t is a whole square by 2. So that is the limits are. What is the limits is t to x in z in plus in x. So what is the value c called? So e power of x square minus t square upper minus lower by what is the value? X minus t is a whole square by 2 factorial. X minus t by is a 2 factorial. X minus 2 by. So what is that? This is called is k2 of x comma t is equal to what is the value? X minus of t is a whole square by 2 factorial into e power of x square minus t square. E power of x square minus t square. This is a value. It is called as k3 of x. Similarly, tell me k3 of x comma t. What is a similarly k3 of x comma t? Same thing also. What now? X minus t is a whole cube by 3 factorial. Whole cube by this is a k3 of x comma t value. K3 of x comma t value it is there. K3 of sorry k2 of x comma t value how much this is k2 of x comma t is a value is x minus t is a whole power of 1 by e power of x square minus t square. K3 of x comma t is equal to value is called x minus t is a whole square by 2 factorial into e power of x square minus t square. This is a one less. So next to k4 of x comma t. K4 of x comma t is equal. What is the value is called is? So x minus t is a whole cube by 3 factorial into e power of x square minus t square. X square minus t square. Similarly, we can do apply kn of x comma t. K1 of x comma t value, you know that. K2 of x comma t value is, you know that. K3 of x comma t, K4 of kn generalization. X minus t whole power of n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial into e power of x square minus t square. So n is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to so on. That is called page number 330. Because zeta square ఉంటుంది. That is not zeta in t square. So what is the resolvent kernel of? The resolvent kernel of x comma t of lambda is equal to expansion k1 of x comma t plus lambda into k2 of x comma t. So plus lambda square into k2 of k3 of x comma t. This is expansion. So lambda power of 4 of k4 lambda lambda k2 lambda square k3 lambda cube k4 of x comma t. This is all values you can substitute. This is a simplified. So what is a simplified? A resolvent kernel of x comma t comma lambda. So lambda is equal e power of x square minus t square. First this is an expansion. What is the expansion is? So e x minus t plus x minus t is a whole square by 2 factorial plus up to so on x minus t whole power of n by n by. This is called is x square minus t square into this is expansion 1 plus x into x like that. So it is so e power of expansion is e power of x expansion 1 plus x square by 2 factorial x cube by 3. This is e power of x e power of x minus t. So that's the value is equal to e power of x square minus t square into e power of x minus t, resolvent kernel. So we can find resolvent kernel. Next to find the f of x. So y of x is equal to can be written as. So y of x is equal to f of x plus so 0 to x we can do. So e 0 to x. So result this is resolvent kernel of r x comma t lambda into y of t into dt. This is a formula. So y of t into d f of t into dt. So f of t into dt. What is f of t? This is f of x is x square. So what is now? What is the formula? Y of x is equal to f of x plus so like this 0 to x into what happened? Resolvent kernel of r x comma t lambda into f of t into dt. This is a formula. So already we can find this. That value we can substitution say clearly. Y of x is equal to f of x e power of x square plus 0 to x. What is the resolvent kernel is? e power of x square minus t square into, and also this is e power of x minus t into f of x, e power of x square into dt. E power of x square is cancelled. So remaining part ఏముంటది? So e power of x square plus 1 plus x square common is known for e power of f of t అంటే e power of t square. What is the value? Once again చూడండి, y of x is equal to e power of x square plus 0 to x. So e power of x square minus t square into e power of x minus t into e power of t square into dt. So e plus t square minus t square will be cancelled. So ఇక్కడ e power of x minus t. In dt integration, x term will be constant. E power of x square plus 0 to x. E power of, what is the common? The common term is e power of x square plus x common this day. What is the integration is called is? So 1 minus the integration of e power of minus t into dt. This is integration. What is the common? Y of x is equal to, in page number 331, చూడండి, e power of x square plus e power of x square plus x term common. Your integration 0 to x e power of minus t dt. What is the e power of minus t integration? E power of minus t by minus 1. The limits are 0 to x. Upper limit minus e power of x, lower limit minus of minus plus 0, e power of 0 1. Ante what happened? 1 minus e power of minus x. That is the answer. So we got a result is, so it is, now the result is called is, so it is equal to e power of x square plus e power of x square plus x in term bracket 1 minus e power of minus x in product. E power of x square, this is x square, in product is plus e power of x square plus x in product, this is minus e power of x square plus x minus x. So this is a cancel. So what happened is called is, this is a minus term. Okay, e minus e power of x square, e plus is. So what is the answer is e power of x square plus x is only answer. The page number 331. So same type we have to prove a resolvent kernel of. So in second part, 12th example. So we show me in 12th example is a clear. Now the 12th example is called is. So what is our 12th example? 331. So once again, so with the same number, Bhagalakshmi Likita Usman. See me 331 page number. So what is the question is? So this is a question. Y of x is equal to e power of x sin x plus 0 to x 2 plus cos x by 2 minus 2 plus cos t into y of t dt. So y of t dt. This is called is a Volter of first kind equation. The Volter of first kind equation is here from k1 of x comma t is equal to k1 of x comma t is equal to k of x comma t is equal to, what is the question is 2 plus cos x by 2 plus cos t, 2 plus cos t. So what is the k2 of x comma t formula? K2 of x comma t is called formula t to x. Okay, t to x, k of x comma z into, so k1 of z comma t into dz, k1 of k of x comma x in plus z. So t in plus z one time, x in plus z one time, t in plus z, what is the time? So it is a, this is a question is x comma z. This is x comma z. Now x comma z by and k1 of z comma t into z. So this is a simplification. So now he is listen to the k2 of x comma t is equal to what happened is, so a t2x, what is the, this 2 plus cos x by 2 plus cos z, this is x comma z. What is k1 of z comma t? Same, 2 plus cos z by 2 plus cos t into dz. So 2 plus cos z, 2 plus cos z is cancelled. What is the remaining part is t2x into 2 plus cos x by 2 plus cos t into dz into dz. So this is a constant dz. 1 into dz is equal. So this is t2x into 1 into dz is equal. This is a z. The limits are
dt తప్పు సార్ రాసింది.
ఎక్కడ dt
k2 దగ్గర రాసింది.
dt రాయాలి. అది dt wrong. dz అంటే 1 into dz. 1 into dz remaining constant. What is the remaining constant? 2 plus cos x, 2 plus cos t is constant. Adi dz is not a dt. So dz అయితే what happened? Z limits t to x. What is the your upper minus x minus t? Remaining part is constant. What is the remaining part? 2 plus cos x by 2 plus
cos t.
So this is value. What is called is k2 of xt. What is how we can time in k3 of x comma t? This is k3 of x comma t is equal to same definition t2 of x. So k3 of x comma t, so this is k of x comma z into k2 of x comma z comma t into dz. So dz. So this is a value t2 of x. t2 of x 2 plus cos x by 2 plus cos t 2 plus cos z into what happened? Z minus 1, x in plus z minus 1. 2 plus cos z by 2 plus cos t. So 2 plus cos z, 2 plus cos z cancel in dz. So this is called is a simplification. So what is called is, so in t2x, so what is the constant? 2 plus cos x by 2 plus cos t into, what is now? This is z minus of t into dz. So this is a totally constant take outside. 2 plus cos x by 2 plus cos t into integral t to x z minus t into dz. So 2 plus, so 2 plus same, 2 plus cos x is constant, 2 plus cos t is same, integrate z minus t, x integration, x square by 2, z minus t integration, z minus of t is a whole square by 2 factorial into limits is t to x. Upper limit minus lower limit. Automatically lower limit will be z in plus t, t minus t 0. Only upper limit is there. X minus t whole square by 2 factorial. So this is the value is equal. So what is now? K3 of x comma t is equal to constant same 2 plus cos x 2 plus cos t same into what is the value? Z minus of t whole square by 2. 2 can be written as 2 factor. K3 ki second degree 2 factorial. So we can find K4 of x comma t. K4 of x comma t is equal to, what is the value it is called is? So next time you have said K4 of x comma t is same. X minus t is a whole cube by 3 factorial into 2 plus cos x by 2 plus cos t, 2 plus cos t. This is called is K1. K1 already given the function. K2, K3, K4 and nth derivation in Kn. So similarly, Kn of x comma t is equal a resolvent kernel of Kn of x comma t. So what is the value is called is, this is x minus t is a whole power of n minus 1 by page number 332, n minus 1 factorial. Akkada n in plus in b. So 2 plus cos x by, so 2 plus cos t. So we are 332 page number v in plus n. I am taking n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. This is called as a resolvent kernel. The resolvent kernel x comma t r enough. So what is the resolvent kernel? Third, r of x comma t comma lambda is equal to formula a summation of n is equal to 0 to infinity lambda to the power of n into k lambda to the power of n kn plus 1 into x comma t. So actually we have the open lambda into lambda equal to 0. And what is now? 1 plus 0 and 1 and 2 plus cos x by So 2 plus cos t. And the first term 2 plus cos x by 2 plus cos t. Next time we have the expansion is called is k1 of x comma t. N is equal to 0. What happened is called is k1 of x comma t. K1 of x comma t. And the first one is k1 of x comma t plus next time is lambda into k1 of x comma t. So till continue this way. So it's a clearly the simplification is called is so resolvent kernel of r comma x comma t comma lambda is equal to wholly from this is called is 2 plus cos x by 2 plus cos t. So into e power of lambda into x minus t, not zeta. Adi zeta value in the zeta plus lo the resolvent lambda into x minus t. So lambda into x. The lambda is equal to 1. We can do up to what happened is resolvent kernel of x comma t comma 1 is equal to 2 plus cos x.
zeta బదులు మనం t రాసుకోవాలా సరే
t small t 100% t 2 plus cos x by 2 plus cos t into e power of x minus t. This is a resolvent kernel formula. So the resolvent kernel formula we can do apply the required solution formula. What is the required solution is y of x is equal to f of x plus lambda into 0 to x into what happened is called is this is a resolvent kernel of x comma t comma 1 into so y of t into f of t into so dt. So f of t into dt. So what is the f of x is equal to? And that's what is f of x? E power of x sin x plus lambda value 1, 0 to x, 2 plus cos x by 2 plus cos x by 2 plus cos t into e power of x minus t into already e power of t. You already e power of x minus t, e power of t sin t dt. So e plus e power of t minus e power of t cancel. 2 plus cos x by 2 plus cos t, we totally 2 plus cos x is a constant. So this is e power of x sin x plus what is the constant is called is 2 plus cos x is constant integration 0 to x sin x by 2 plus cos t into 2 plus cos t into dt. 2 plus cos t into dt. What is the numerator derivation? F dash x by f of x. Log f of x. Log f of x. This is the differentiation denominator 2 0. Cos integration is minus. So minus sin t dt. So minus cos t derivation is minus sin t. Numerator only plus sin t. This is 2 plus cos x. 2 plus cos x same. This is the integration value is minus log of 2 plus cos t. 2 plus cos t. The limits is 0 to x. One time 0 x is same log of x plus t. Lower limit. So that is called 2 plus cos t. So the t value we can apply. T value x 2 plus cos x. Lower limit to t plus cos 0. Cos 0 1. 2 plus 1 3. So what happened is this is the situation. So it's called is e power of x sin x plus e power of x into what happened is e power of x into 2 plus cos x. So is a 2 plus cos x into logarithm of 2 plus cos x is minus the limits is values 0 to x. So we can simplify that's value log of this value simplification log of 3 by 2 plus cos x 2 plus totally the result is called is e power of x into sin x plus e power of x into 2 plus cos x. So into logarithm of 3 by 2 plus cos x. So this is the value. So a resolvent kernel. So we can find the resolvent kernel. We can find the formula. So already in question all of you in question in identify that the question will be identified k1 of x comma t is equal to k of x comma t. K1 of x comma t is equal to k of x comma t. So this is clearly. So next 13 example చూడండి, very simple. What is the 13 example? 332. Here resolvent, find the only not solution, only resolvent kernel of the Volterra integral equation. K of x comma t is equal to question already 1. So what is now the procedure in page number 332? K1 of x comma t is equal to K of x comma t is equal to 1. K2 of x comma t is equal to what happened? That is the formula T2x. This is K of x comma z into K1 of z comma t into dz. So y of t into dz. Y of t is only, y of t is not there, dz. So what is K1 of z comma t and 1 K of? So the limits is T2x 1 into dz. 1 into dz is z. The upper limit is lower, T2x. The value is called is upper s minus x minus t. So first value K2 of x comma t is equal to K2 of x comma t is equal to x minus t. So next we can find K3 of x comma t. What is the K3 of x comma t is equal to, can be written as in formula T2 of x into K of x comma z into K2 of z comma t into dt. So this is a T2 of x, K of x comma z1, K2 of x comma z ఏమవుతుంది? This is a x minus t into dz, x minus t into dz. This is a constant we take outside. So now it is called as x minus t. So x minus t called, that is called as z minus t. The integration t minus x, z minus t into dz. So what is the value is? Z minus t is a whole square by 2 factorial. So the upper or lower in t minus x. So it's called as x minus t is a whole square by 2 factorial. So this is called as a 2 factor is called as K3 of x comma t, K3 of x comma t. So it is called as K4 of x comma t. We can find what is a K4 of x comma t is equal to same limits T2x. Em raskochu. What is the limits are? K of x comma z in K3 of z comma t into dt. So this is into dz, into dz. So we have the simplify 1 into z minus next time this is called. So the T2x 1 into z minus t is a whole square by 2 factorial into dz. So 2 factorial what the x z minus x whole square integration z minus x whole square z minus x 3 by 3 3 by 3 factorial. So this is the way in type. So it's a clearly now. So in K4 of x comma t is equal to simplify x minus t by 3 factorial. X minus 3 by in 3 factorial. Okay. Now until continue Kn of x comma t is equal to, what is the page number 333? So we have the simplification. It is also integration t to x z minus of t. So whole power of, so whole power of n minus 2 by n minus 2 factorial. This is the limits applied t to x. So it's a clearly. So what is the value is x minus t is a whole power of n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. This is a value Kn of x comma t. What is the value? A resolvent kernel of R of x comma t. This is a lambda resolvent kernel is equal to summation of n is equal to 0 to infinity. Lambda to the power of n x minus t is a whole power of n by is a n factorial. So it is a n factorial. So that is a value. So it is called as lambda to the power of n into x minus 2 by whole power of n by n factorial. It's called as a resolvent kernel of. So resolvent kernel of, this is the way. Okay. Now this is the type of the problem also we can do.
లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ కదా సార్ ఈరోజు?
అవునవును, యా
సార్ కొన్ని లెసన్స్ చెప్పండి సార్, కొన్ని కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేస్తాం ఎగ్జామినేషన్ తో.
ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ చెప్పమంటున్నాం, ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ క్లాసెస్
ఇంపార్టెంట్ సార్, ఇంపార్టెంట్ లెసన్స్ చెప్పండి, ఇంపార్టెంట్ లెసన్స్.
ఓకే, ఐ విల్ టెల్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ లెసన్స్
ఫ్రమ్ 1st to 18.
Okay, 1st to 18 we have the problematic is So first unit 1, a calculus of variation.
Full చదవాలా సార్?
Full చదవాలి. Calculus of variation 2.
Full.
Okay, full. Problematic you can easily understand in degree level.
Yes.
So
Full.
Unit 3, multiple integrals. Full.
Full.
Okay. Already I am telling me unit 4 completed 4 year series.
అవునండి.
Already Fourier transformation
also.
Unit 4 completed, unit 6 completed, unit 7 completed. Unit 8 also completed.
అవునండి.
Okay. Now we start in integral equation, unit 11. Integral equation 2 complete cheyandi. We have to the next, we can go to the 16 green function. So this topic you can learn, practice, you can easily, we can own understanding. That is we have the in book follow, the book in example we have to practice.
Green function antara 16th lesson.
Green function. So that is a green function. Okay.
Full lesson.
Now full lesson.
Tensors వదిలేసేయాలా సార్?
Tensors అది మీకు అర్థం, we have to be totally in physics background.
Very thorough.
Okay now now topic is next is in page number 335. In page number 335, what is the page number 335 lo we have to the follows. The kernel of k of x comma t. This is our kernel of first in 45 equation. So 40. So this is a 45 equation. 45 equation is, what is the 45 is a kernel of kx comma t. In page number
a naught x plus
k
a1
of x comma t is called a naught of x
t
plus a1 of
a2
x into x minus t. So plus a2 of x into x minus t whole square by 2 factorial plus up to so on a n minus 1 of x minus t by n of x by n x minus t whole power of n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial. 45 ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Next we have to go to the immediately come back in 52 equation. So what is the 52 equation in dy? So dy is equal to d to the power of n by dx to the power of n is equal, so minus lambda into this is, what is the lambda into a naught of x into n minus 1 derivative plus a1 into n minus 2 derivative in pi. So a n minus 1 x into pi. This is the 42. So we can find the next is 53. So that is a 53 is called as a resolvent kernel of r x comma t lambda 1 minus 1 by lambda into d to the power of n by dx to the power of n into y of x comma t comma lambda. Y of x comma t comma lambda. So this is called is in 53. We are go to the direct to the problem is page number 336 example 15. So 336 empty example explanation. What the 333 example explanation is called is Volterra resolvent kernel in first part k of x comma zeta is equal to or zeta r2 into x. So in lambda is equal to 1. So 45 equation what is in comparing? A naught is equal to 2x. So a v of x is 0. A naught is equal to 2x. So what has happened is dy by dx minus. So it's a equation in find in 52 equation of substitute. What is the 52 equation? Dy by dx minus 2x into y equal to 0. Y is equal to 1 or x is equal to in boundary conditions in page number 60. So we can find y a kernel of it's a, that's the kernel is d of x comma y 2xy y equal to 0 and x is equal to. So that is y is equal to. So y is equal to y is equal to at of into e power of x square. These are 61 equation. A y of x comma t comma 2 lambda is equal to e power of x square minus t square. So x square minus t square. So that is a zeta or t square. Already y of x comma t this type of. The resolvent kernel r of x comma t comma minus 1 by lambda into d of dx is y of x comma t. So 1 by lambda into d by dx of. So what is the d by dx is called? So this is a simplification to now e power of x square minus t square. So what is the d by dx is? So the d by dx of e power of x square minus t square. What is the differentiation? E power of minus x square t square. What is the differentiation is 2x. So it is a simplify that. It's called is 1 by 2. So y of x comma t 1 by lambda into lambda value 1. D by dx is, So that's value is 2x e power of minus t square. So that is called is the process. We have to go examples. We have to practice. Next, this is called is page number 338. The page number 338 we can do. So integral equation of convolution type. Already Laplace transform in convolution type. What is the convolution type is called is this is the y Laplace transform of y of x is equal to y bar of x. This is a Laplace transform of f of x is equal to f of s in terms. So Laplace transform of k of x, Laplace transform of k of x is equal to in k of s. Okay, k of s. So in using this is called is we have to apply this function. What is the function? Y x is equal to f of x plus 0 to x k into x minus t into y of t into dt. Both side Laplace you can apply. Laplace transform of y of x. So left side, right side is Laplace transform of f of x. Okay, is equal to now k into this is k into Laplace transform of x minus t into y of t ante therefore Laplace transform of k bar of s into plus y bar of s, k bar of s into y bar of s. So k bar of s into y bar of s. So what is the y bar of s is equal to? And this is called is left hand side is a y bar of s, inside is f of s plus k bar of s into y bar of s. So y bar of s in take outside 1 minus y bar 1 minus ks 1 minus k bar of s 1 minus ks is equal to f of t by so 1 plus t naught of s. So 1 plus t naught of s. What is now? It's a clearly y bar of s is equal to f of s by 1 minus k of s. So 1 minus k of s. So this is the formula f of s by 1 minus k s. So in Laplace in both side apply in simplification. So in example 17 problem in page number 339. So what is the 339 is? So 1 minute. కంటిన్యూ ఉంటుంది వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది అంబేద్కర్ అన్ని. So already Laplace transform topic is I am to formulas is there in page number 339. 68 equation. What is the 68 equation is? This is how y of x is equal to 3x square plus 0 to x y of t into sin of x minus t into dt. This is the formula. So in convolution type, so solution. So this is the question. M to solution is listen to me. What is the convolution type in product? Convolution type already written f of x plus k of x into star, k of x into star into y of x. So what happened is y of x is equal to 3x square plus y of x into star sin of x minus t. Both side Laplace apply. The Laplace transform in both side apply. Left side Laplace transform of y of x. Right side
star multiplication symbol, sir.
Star multiplication symbol. Star is means convolution type. So left side Laplace transform plus Laplace transform y of x. 3 right side 3 constant. Laplace transform of x square plus. So Laplace transform of next is Laplace transform of y of x. Okay, into so Laplace transform of sin of x minus t. Sin of x minus t means sin x is indirectly sin x. Laplace transform of sin x. So Laplace transform of sin x. Okay. So what happened is Laplace transform of y of x is can be written as already and tell me this Laplace of y bar of s in terms of s. Y bar of s. Laplace transform of x square formula. So మనకి it is a formula n plus 1 factorial by. So this is n plus 1 factorial by s to the power of n plus 1. X square n plus 1 factorial by s to the power of n plus 1. This is called this is y bar of s. This is also y bar of s. Laplace transform of sin x. So Laplace transform sin x is formula you can do apply. So what is the Laplace transform? Sin x is a formula is taken. So this is called sin of x minus t. So it is, so sin of x minus t, it is a formula is applied. So it's a clearly. So it's a clearly that is called is, we have to apply, this is the left hand side is y bar of s Laplace transform. Right side. So right side is formula 3 into x square can formula n factorial by s to the power of n plus 1. This is the formula. Into plus y bar of s. Same. Into Laplace transform of sin x formula into the s by s square plus a square. S by s square plus a square. So what is the apply the formula is called is left side y bar of s. Same. 3 into n factor under 2 factorial by s to the power of 2 plus 1 plus s by s square. Ikkada a value 1 square. But what happened? Y bar of s is equal x6 by s cube plus y bar into s by s square plus 1. S by s square plus 1. We take y bar is one time in left side. So y bar is common. And what is 1 minus s by s square plus 1. 1 minus s by s square plus 1 is equal to ఇది లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ సైన్ కు 1 వస్తుంది 1 బై సారీ ఎస్ రాంగ్ ఎస్ ని కట్ చేయండి ఎస్ విల్ బి పుట్ కట్ 1 బై ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 బై ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 దిస్ ఇస్ 1 బై ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 is equal what happened is called is, so this is 6 by s cube, 6 by s cube. We take LCM చూడండి y bar s square plus 1 minus 1 by s square is equal to what happened is 6 by s cube, 6 by s cube. So 1 is cancelled, 1 is cancelled. S square plus 1. This is s square plus 1. So s square plus 1. So is equal. What is the clear? So what is the clear? Y into s square by s square plus 1 is equal to 6 by s cube. We take right side. The right side part is, so we take an, it's the right side part is called this. So y bar of s is equal to Yamasadi 6 into s square plus 1 by Yamasadi, this is s square into s cube, s square into s cube. So we have to 6 into s square plus 1 by s square into s cube. We take separately. So what is a separately? It is a s and 6 into s square plus 1 by s to the power of 5. We take separately chudandi y bar of s is equal emosama 6 is a common 1 by kada s square by s to the power of 5 plus 1 by s to the power of 5. Ikkada s square cancel aithe 6 into 1 by s cube plus 1 by s to the power of 5. So this is y bar of s. So it is y bar of s. What is the y? Y bar of s is equal to, we know that Laplace transform of f of x. Okay, now the L is taken. F of x call and everything. L inverse of f of x is equal to, what is, we know that y bar of s is equal to, so Laplace transform of f of x. So what is f of x is equal to, so inverse Laplace transform of y bar of s. So this is the value we can do. Ante Laplace transform of f of x is equal to, or y of x is equal to emochindi that spot 6 into 1 by s cube plus 1 by s to the power of 5. L is right side, y of x is equal to, y of x is equal to 6 into L inverse of 1 by s cube plus 6 into L inverse of 1 by s to the power of 5. What is the L inverse of? This is the formula. So what is the formula? S cube is equal to, so this is So this is a L inverse in formula. L inverse of, so what is the inverse Laplace transform of 1 by s to the power of n is equal to, so what happened is x to the power of n minus 1 by n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial. So what happened is Laplace inverse of, example, 1 by s cube is equal to x to the power of 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 factorial, x square by 2 factorial. So what happened is y of x is equal to 6 into x square by 2 factorial plus x to the power of 4 by 4 factorial, one less I tell 6 into x square by 2 plus x to the power of 4 by 4 3 is 12, 12 is 24. That is the 24 LCM. Now the sixth and product is equal to 6 into x square by 2 plus 6 into x to the power of 4 by 24. 6 1 ja, 6 4 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. What is the answer is equal to? So 3x square plus x to the power of 4 by 4. That is called is y of x. So in convolution type, in convolution type, we can do apply. That is called is a, so this is called is a Laplace. So we convolution type we can apply. So I understand. In example 18, very simple. So the example 18 is also same called. So in convolution type problems. So what is the example 8 now? 18 is. So what is 0 to x? Y of t into y of x minus t is equal to 4 into sine 9x. 4 into sine, we go 4 into sine 9x. 4 into sine 9x. So we can apply both side Laplace transform. In convolution type, we can write here convolution type solution. Y of x into star y of x is equal to 4 into sine 9x. Akkada y wrong, 4 into sine 9. Both side Laplace apply. Laplace transform of y of x into Laplace transform of y of x. Left hand side is equal to 4 is constant. Laplace transform of sine 9x. Sine 9x is can be written as, so left hand side the Laplace transform of ante. So this is called is, so y bar of s into y bar of s ante y bar of s whole square is equal to Laplace transform of sin x. 4 will be constant. So sin x ante 9 by, so s square plus 9 square. S square, this is the Laplace transform of formula. Laplace transform of sin ax is equal to formula a by, so s square plus a square. A is equal to how much? 9. 9 by s square plus 9 square, 81. Can before already 4. 9 into 4, 36. Got it? This is 36 by s square plus 81. S square plus 81. And what is the get is? So the get is the y bar of s is the whole square is equal to what happened? 36 by s square plus 81. What is the y bar of s in the squaring? Y bar of s, squaring on both sides, square root a plus or minus 36 square root is 6. This is the square root is s square plus 81. S square plus 81. We got a result is y bar of s is equal to, so plus or minus 6. We have take plus or minus 6. So by, so what is the by? 1 by 100 root of s square plus 9 square. We can do y bar of s is Laplace transform. Next time, Laplace transform of f of x is equal to plus or minus 6 into what happened? 1 by under root of s square plus 9 square. So can be written as f of x is equal to. So what is f of x is equal to plus or minus 6 inverse Laplace transform of 1 by under root of s square plus 9 square. This is inverse Laplace transform formula. So this is y is equal to plus or minus 6. This is j naught of 9x. So what is the j naught of ax is equal to formula 1 by 100 root of, so x square plus a square. X square plus a square is called as j naught of x. So got j naught of 9ax. So j naught of is equal to plus or minus 6 into j naught of, so 9. A legendary polynomial of j naught of x, generating function j naught. Y is equal to 6 into j naught of x. In both solution plus 1. Plus 6 is a j naught of 9x. Minus 6 is a 6 into j naught of 9x. Both solutions have been given integral equations. So it is of same way type. So SAQ 6 in page number 340. So this is a 340 is also. So it is also applying now. It is a clearly now. So we have to practice this SAQ. It is a formula from G of X. In boundary conditions, we can find the same. A solution of integral differential equation. Integral differential equation, page number 341. So in page number 341, we have to apply. What is that? Boundary values. So y dash is equal 3 into 0 to x, cos of 2 into x minus t, y of t into dt plus 2. This is a convolution type. In boundary condition, y of 0 is good. What is the convolution type? Page number 341 can be written as y dash of x is equal to 3 into cos 2x into star y of x in plus 2. This is a left, both side apply Laplace transform. Laplace transform of y dash of x. Okay, left hand side, right side. 3 into Laplace transform of cos 2x into Laplace transform of y of x plus 2 is a constant, Laplace transform of 1. So it is a formula, y dash of x formula. So s into y bar of s minus y of 0 is equal to Laplace transform y dash x in formula. 3 into Laplace transform cos 2x. So s by s square plus, so s square plus 2 square, s square plus 2 square. So s square plus 2 square is a meaning into plus 2 into Laplace transform of 1 by s. So this is a 3s by 3 into s. Laplace transform 3 into y bar, 3 into s by s square plus 4 into y bar of s plus 2 by s. What is the left side? If y of 0 is equal to 1, next time is. So s into y bar of s minus 1 is equal to 3s y bar of s by s square plus 4 plus 2 by s. So y bar s is 1 times is taken right here. So the minus 1 we can take right here. So what is the y bar s is common term? The y bar s is a common term. S minus this is called as 3s by s square plus 4 by is equal to 2 by s in plus 1. So we have the simplification. So left hand side y bar of s is equal to s cube plus 4s minus 3s by s square plus 4 is equal to 2 plus s by s. So we have to simplification totally y bar s is equal to 2 plus s plus 1 under 2 plus s s plus 1. So s square plus 4 numerator study s cube. This is called as we have to simplification now. S into y bar of s is a minus 1. 3s into y bar of s by the s square plus 4 in plus 2 by s. We have the simplification. So yes. So yes, y bar of s common is the. What is the y bar of s is common is? So s minus 3s by s square plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 2 by s plus 1. So y bar of s into this is s cube plus 4s minus 3s by s square plus 4. So 4s. 4s like s होती है s. Okay. So is equal to 2 by s plus 1 by 2 by s plus 1 అంటే 2 plus s plus 2 by s. So this is a simplified y bar of s is equal ఇక్కడ s cube plus s by s square plus 4 into is equal to ఏమొచ్చింది s plus 2 by s. So we take denominator So I am to taken. So this is S is, we have the partial fractions now. Okay. So this is called as y bar of S is equal to. So y bar of S is equal to S plus 2 by S square plus 4 by S into S square into numerator S square into S square plus 1. We have the partial fractions. What is the partial fraction? Same as I, A by S plus B by S square plus C, CS plus D by S square plus 1. We know intermediate level. We have the CS plus D. We can find capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D. So this is the process. We can find the LCM. We can find capital A value 1, capital B value 8, capital C value minus 3, capital D value minus 6. If these are values are there, we can find. So we have to simplify in intermediate level. What is the partial fractions are there? So this is called as y bar of S is equal to. So A must this is A by S plus B by S square plus C S plus D by S square plus 1. We can simplify that. A value is compulsory 4, B value is 8, C value is minus 3, D value is minus 6. These values you can substitution. Y bar of S is equal to, what is the A value is 4 by S. So 8 by S square minus 3S by S square plus 1 minus 6 by S square plus 1. Y bar of S is equal. So Laplace transform of F of X is equal to inverse Laplace. Y of X is equal. So what happened is Y of X is equal can be written as inverse Laplace 4 into inverse Laplace transform of 1 by S plus 8 into inverse Laplace transform of 1 by S square minus 3 into inverse Laplace transform of S by S square plus 1. So minus 6 into inverse Laplace transform of 1 by S. So already I am telling me Laplace and inverse Laplace transform formulas are there. So we got a simplification. These formulas are there. Inverse Laplace transform of 4 into 1 by S is equal to 1 by S is equal to 1 aitadi. Plus 8 into inverse Laplace transform of 1 by S square is X plus minus 3 into S by S square is a cos X. So this is called as 2. Is already 6. 6 into sin X formula. This is a sin X formula. 6 into. What is the answer is called is 4 plus 8x minus 3 cos X minus 6 sin X. This is called is the inverse Laplace transform of. So it is inverse Laplace transform of the. This is the formulas. Okay, this is the problem is completed. So this is the type of integration. So it is clearly. So it is same way type in convolution type. This is the problems also totally in convolution type. Okay, this is the completed of the first integral equations. So in completed. Now again. Now, second type of integral equation type problems. So, So the second type of integral Fredholm integral equation type, a method of successive approximation. Method of successive approximation is Volterra type of integral equation. Method of successive approximation of a Fredholm type of integral equation, page number 367. So the page number 367 and 368, this is the type. I am to take in the example 1 and example 2. So what is that we have to take in? Example 1. Now, this is example 2. What is the example 2 problem? Fredholm type of integral equations, a successive approximation method. So this is a formula from. So it is a formula from we can do now. So it's a clear. No. So y of x is equal to 1 plus lambda into 0 to 1 x of t into y of t into dt. So this is compare the equation. So compare 13 equation, a Fredholm integral equation method of successive approximation. Y of x is equal to f of x plus lambda into 0 to 1 k of x comma t into y of t into dt. Here from f of x is equal to 1. K of kernel of x comma t is equal to x comma t. So we can the RHS of the, so in 13th equation. So the 13th equation RHS we can find y1 of x. So y1 of x is equal to, in formula, what is a y1, yn of y2, this is called is yn of x is equal to formula, I can do this is. So y1 of x is equal to, so y1 of x is equal to f of x plus lambda into a to b k of x comma t into y naught of t into dt. So we can do apply yn of x in formula in our 9th equation, page number 367. So f of x plus lambda into a to b in k of x comma t into y n minus 1 of t into dt. This is a formula from y1 of x. It's also clear. So it's the same thing. So we have to apply y in page number 369. So y1 of x is equal to 1 plus lambda into 0 to 1 xt into, so that is called as y naught of x is equal to 1 into dt. So 1 plus lambda into x is a constant, 0 to 1 into t into dt. So 1 plus lambda x into t integration is called as t square by 2. So the limits is 0 to 1 plus lambda of x into, so what is 0 to 1 is called as 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. This is called as 1 plus lambda x by 2. So 1 plus lambda x by 2. This is y1 of x. So same thing, y2 of x is equal to formula. So this is y2 of x is equal to formula. I can clear. F of x plus lambda into a to b integral k of x comma t into y1 of t into dt. Already y1 of t value tells you. What is the y1 of t? 1 plus lambda x by 2 y1 of. This is, this value we can substitute the equation. So what is the equation is y1 of t dt substitution. So what is the substitution is called is y2 of x in page number 369. 1 plus lambda into 0 to 1 xt into y1 of t 1 plus lambda t by 2 into dt. What is the x is a constant. Ikkada lambda xt manaku only integration t. So this is a simplification. 1 plus lambda into 0 to 1. What is the integration is the xt product chain. What is the x into t? Lambda t square by 2 at t square by 2 x into 1 plus lambda by 2 lambda t by 2 to xt into, so this is called this k of x comma t. K of x comma t is equal to xt. Okay, so xt what is this is lambda into lambda x is a common, sorry, 1 plus lambda x is a common. This is the integration children. 1 plus lambda x is a common integration 0 to 1. This is t plus lambda t by 2 integration. So 1 plus lambda x. What is the integration? T square by 2, lambda by 2 constant, t cube by 3. So the limits is 0 to 1. This is a simplification. 1 plus lambda x is constant. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 అయిపోయింది. So lambda by 6 అయితే we have to product this. 1 plus ఏమవుతుంది lambda x by 2 plus lambda square x by 6. Lambda square x by 6. This is called as y2 of x. In simplification also y3 of x. y3 of x is called formula 1 plus lambda into 0 to 1 integration. So 0 to 1 xt into 0 to 1 integration xt into y2 of t into dt. This value is a substitution. y3 of x is equal to 1 plus lambda of x. So this is 0 to 1 xt into 1 plus lambda t by 2 plus lambda t square by 6 in dt. This is a simplify that too. So mala same thing 1 plus lambda x common వస్తుంది integration t square by 2. So lambda by 2 plus lambda square by 6 and a total value to t cube by 3 0 to 1. In total equation is 1 plus lambda x by 2 lambda square x by 6 lambda x cube by 18. So what is the common is called is 1 plus lambda x by 2 common 1 plus lambda by 3 plus lambda square by 3 square. This is a situation. So it's called is in the situation. So what is a yn of x? So in situation yn of x లో రాసేసుకుంటే ఏమొస్తుంది this is 1 plus lambda x by 2 కామన్ వచ్చేసి 1 plus lambda by 3 వస్తుంది plus lambda by 3 is a whole square వస్తుంది plus is infinite term 1 plus lambda x by 2 సేమ్ ఉంటుంది lambda x by 2 కామన్ వస్తుంది. This is the binomial formula 1 by 1 minus x అంటే lambda by 3. So simplification which is called is 3 LCM. So we got is called 1 plus 3 lambda x by. So what is 2 into 3 minus lambda is only if lambda is less than 3. So that is called this. So this is continuous the same situation. We have to formula 369. So it is a page number 370 also. The 370 is also apply the same formula apply y1 of x, y2 of x, also yn of x. So yn of x is called is very simple personally. What is called is here from y naught of x is equal to here from 1 plus x in page number 370. So we can find the y1 of x. Very simple. y1 of x is 1 plus x into lambda value 1 0 to x into x minus t into 1 plus t into dt. This simplification is called is 1 plus x square by 2 into plus x cube by 6. This is called is y1 of x. Next time y2 of x. So what is the y2 of x? You can find the same formula 1 plus x square by 2. So this is simplification integration. So total x cube by 6 x to the power 4 by 24 plus x to the power by 120. So yn of x. So totally yn of x and formula can be written as and n times compute 1 plus x by 1 factorial x square by 2 factorial plus up to so on x to the power of n by n factorial. This is called is can be written as e power of x infinite time. So that is the same situation we have to practice the solution of the equation resolvent kernel of the iterated kernels. So it is called is the resolvent kernel of the also Fredholm integral equation. Same time in Volterra type also now. Volterra type of resolvent kernel same and also the limits are there. The limits is called is Fredholm integration resolvent kernel. We can find the same situation. Now again, so in practice is the problem is a degenerate kernel. So the solve the degenerate kernel is this type of the problem is important long questions. So what is the type of this is a equations are there now. So page number 382, I'm to explain in page number 382 all of you. So in page number 382 in formula. So we can find the solve the integral equation also. This is a long question guarantee. So y of x is equal to, so y of x is equal to cos x plus lambda into 0 to pi sin of x minus t into y of t into dt. This is a solve the integral equation. Sin of x minus t is a formula open. Sin a cos b, sin a sin x cos t minus cos a sin b, cos x sin t. This is sin A minus cos B apply into y of t. So what is the explanation? This is the equation is clear. Y of x is equal to cos x plus lambda into sin x into 0 to pi cos t y of t dt minus cos x 0 to pi sin t into y of t dt. Y of x is equal to cos x plus lambda into c1 sin x. This is the c1. What is the c1? The c1 value 0 to pi into cos t y of t dt. C2 0 to pi into sin t y of t d2. This is the C2 value. And the total equation, what is the C1 value? 0 to pi cos t y of t. What is the C2 value? 0 to pi sin t y t. So what is y of x is equal total a cos x plus lambda into C1 sin x minus C2 sin x, C2 cos x. Okay. This is C1 is equal to 0 to pi cos t y of t dt. C2 is equal to 0 to pi into sin t y of t dt. So this is the equation 36, 37. So we got 36, 37. What is the C1 value? 0 to pi into cos t into y of t. What is the y of t and main equation? What is the y of t is called is y of t is equal to. So we have the substitution. Y of t, we have taken 36 equation. So 36 equation substitute cos t plus lambda c1 into sin t. So minus c2 into lambda c2 into cos t into dt. So this is called this is value in c1. What is the c1 in the value of 36 values of c2 value low, it is called c1. So c1 value is supply. C2 low what happened? 0 to pi sin t y of t. Y of t and cos t plus lambda into c1 sin t minus c2 into sin t. This is the value. C1, C2 hypothesis. C1 is a verification. That is the C1 is equal. So 0 to pi. So this is the integration. So what is the integration is called is so. So two equations are there is equal to ఇక్కడ simplify చేస్తా చూడండి. C1 is equal to 0 to pi into cos t y of t into cos t, sorry, C1 is equal to 0 to pi into cos t plus lambda into c1 sin t minus lambda into c. ఇక్కడ c1 కామన్ తీయాలి. c1 కామన్ తీస్తే ఏమొచ్చింది? 1 minus lambda into 0 to pi cos t sin t dt bracket plus c2 lambda into 0 to pi into cos square t dt is equal to ఏమొచ్చింది? 0 to pi into cos square t dt. So this is c1 common. So it is also 0 to pi cos square dt minus c1 lambda into sin square t plus c2 common is equal to 0 to pi sin t cos t. అంటే both are ఈ కామన్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో 0 to pi sin t equal. So it is a equal from c1 c2. This is equal from 0 to pi. What happened is called is c1 plus all of you can tell me this is a c1 is a common term. C1 common the same 1 minus lambda into 0 to pi 1 minus lambda into 0 to pi cos t into sin t into dt plus c2 we take left side c2 into lambda 0 to pi cos t into cos t cos square t into dt. So cos square t dt is equal to 0. Okay. So this is a simplification is called this. Is sin t cos t integration, cos square t integration. So ఇక్కడ చూడండి what is now cos t sin t integration ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు 1/2 sin 2t 1/2 sin 2t integration ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు this is called is 1/2 sin 2t అంటే cos 2tt by 2. So the limits is 0 to pi అయితే cos 2 pi 1 కాబట్టి 1/2 1/4 వస్తుంది. So 1/4 okay equation అంటే this term is c1 అంటే what is now c1 into 1 minus lambda into 0 to 5 cos 2 pi 1. Cos 2 pi 1 అంటే lambda cos 2 dt integration dt by 0 to pi c1. So 1 minus lambda into cos 2 pi by 2. So this is minus cos 0 1 by 2. So like this. So c1 into 1 minus lambda into cos 2 pi. So 1 by 2 1 by 2 0. And the same upper and the c1 term will be 0. The c1, okay, c1. So we have tried first one ఏమొస్తుందంటే c1 into 1 minus 0 వస్తుంది plus c2 into this limits cos per 2. So c2 lambda into cos per 2 అంటే ఏం తెలుసు 1 minus cos 2 td by 2. This is a plus ఏమొస్తుంది sin square t 1 minus sin square. This is a integration dt అంటే this is t by 2 plus sin 2t by 2. This limits is 0 to pi. Sin function always 0. So t by 2 cos per 2 t by 2 what is? So t by 2 c2 by pi. So c2 by pi. And this is the equation is called this. So c2 lambda into pi by 2 వస్తుంది. So first equation is called ఏమొస్తుంది c1 plus c2 lambda pi by 2 వస్తుంది is equal to 0. This is called this. So next time is ఇంకొక equation is called this. The right side is also 38 la this 0. Next time equation వస్తుంది minus 1 by 2 c1 lambda pi plus c2 equal 0. Two homogeneous equation. In solving determine 1 comma 1 by 2 pi lambda by 2 pi lambda by 1 minus 1 by 2 lambda pi. So this is equal to 1. A 2 by 2 matrix AD minus BC is equal 1 plus 1 by 4 is lambda square pi square is not equal to 0. And this is C1 value is 100%. C1 value is equal to C1 C2 is homogeneous equal. It is a equation unique solution is equal. The C1 is equal to 2 pi 4 plus lambda square by pi square. C2 value lambda pi square by, so 4 plus lambda square by pi square. So these are equations are there C1 C2. What is the C1 C2 is equal to the y of x. What is the y of x is equal to C1 C2 value? Find out. What is the y of x is equal to formula? This is cos x plus lambda into c1 sin x minus c2 cos x. We can find the values. So we can simplify y of x is equal to 2 by 4 plus lambda square into pi square 2 cos x plus pi lambda sin x in page number 383. So this is a solve the integral equation, very important. Ikkada what is the, so c1 c2 lo assumption the c1 c2 values again y of x. So example 8383 chudandi. So what is the y of x is equal to, can be written as, so lambda into cos square of x into 0 to pi into cos 2t y of t dt plus cos 3 of x constant 0 to pi cos cube of t into y of t dt. So this is a term c1 is equal to, what is the c1 is equal 0 to pi cos 2t y of dt. c2 is equal 0 to pi cos cube t y of t. c1 ct ఇక్కడ substitute what is the y of x is equal, this is a y of x is equal, what is the y of x is equal lambda into c1 cos square of x plus c2 cos 3x. This is the equation. What is the taken c1 value, what is the c1 value 0 to pi cos 2t yt. Y of t value substitution, this is lambda c1 cos square t plus lambda c2 cos 3 dt. So this is a c2 value substitution. So c1 c2 value substitution, one time c1 one time c2 one time. Two equations are there, equations equal to 0 వచ్చింది చూడండి. So this is the page number 41 కంటే before equations. So this is the 44 kind of before equation is c1 bracket 1 minus lambda into 0 to pi cos 2 tt cos square t. So into dt minus c2 into lambda cos 2. This equation simplify you can. So lambda 1 lambda 2 values we can substitute that is it. Okay. I am to, this is all the values on substitute equation. Lambda 1 is equal to 4/5, lambda 2 is equal to 8/5 అనేది. These are unique solutions must be. Eigen values are eigen functions. Okay, it's a clear. So this is now.
సార్ అసైన్మెంట్ లో ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వచ్చేసి పుస్తకం సంబంధం లేదు కదా, ఏం రాయాలమంటారు సార్? అసైన్మెంట్ లో కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇచ్చారు చూడండి, అది పుస్తకంలో దొరకలేదండి.
అసైన్మెంట్ లో ఓకే ఒకసారి మనకు అసైన్మెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ నాకు వాట్సాప్ పెడతారా? ఐ విల్ సొల్యూషన్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ సెండ్ ద గ్రూప్ మెథడ్స్ ఆఫ్ అప్లైడ్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ గ్రూప్ ఉంది కదా, గ్రూప్ లో ఐ విల్ సెండ్ ద ఆన్సర్స్
ఉన్నాయి సార్, కానీ అది పుస్తకంలో వచ్చేసి అది అవుట్ ఆఫ్ బుక్ ఇచ్చారు కదా.
ఏదన్నా ఇవ్వండి సార్, మీరు అసైన్మెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ నాకు ఒకసారి క్వశ్చన్స్ వాట్సాప్ పెట్టండి. గ్రూప్ తెలుసు కదా, ఆ గ్రూప్ లో మీరు క్వశ్చన్స్ పెట్టండి, ఆ సొల్యూషన్ చేసి నేను పంపించేస్తాను. ఓకేనా?
అంతేనండి సార్. ఓకే, చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ అండి.
ఓకే.